This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. This is where iPhone controls notification audio. Once there, choose the category, text tone, new mail, or ringtone, because each maps to different alerts. Make sure your iOS is current and the audio file is ready, or plan to create a custom tone next. You don't need to back up just to change a tone, but make sure the file is under 40 seconds and in a compatible format so it will import cleanly. Next, create or import your custom tone. If you use GarageBand, trim the clip to under 40 seconds, export as a ringtone, and save. If you prefer a computer, convert to M4R, then sync via Finder or iTunes. Once the tone is on your device, return to Sounds and Haptics. Your new tone will appear in the ringtones or text tones list. Make sure to set it for the specific alert type, and if you want per app sounds, open that app's notification options to select the tone there. Finally, pick the tone and test it. Tap the sound to preview, then trigger a real notification to confirm the alert plays. If it's too quiet, check volume, ring/silent switch, and attention-aware settings which lower some sounds. Make sure focus or do not disturb isn't blocking notifications. If the tone doesn't appear, re-import the M4R via Finder or GarageBand and restart the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the app's notification permissions and reinstall the tone if it still fails to show up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.